What's up guys, it's D-Man10 here, and today I'll be showing you the new features offered in OSX Lion on Mac. Now Lion first installed on the App Store, so if you open up App Store, it'll give you the option to install Lion. If it loads up here, Lion is now priced at $29.99 or $30, so if you click here, you can install Lion, and it gives you a whole bunch of different features now offered in Lion, which I'm going to show you here in just a bit. Now, once you install Lion, you're going to notice just a few changes off the bat. Down in your dock, you're going to notice two more applications that are pre-installed with Lion. The first one is Launchpad. Now, Launchpad, when you click it, is very like iOS on an iPhone or an iPod Touch or an iPad. It gives you all your apps you have on your computer, which is really, really nice. So, like I hate scrubbing through applications to go look for something when I can just hit like down here Launchpad, boom, and just like go grab something. And now I'm moving through this Launchpad with two fingers swiping to the right and left. So it's pretty easy. So it's usually something like you would figure how to move on here is really integrated on here, which you can change in settings, which I'll show you later. Mission control. This is combining spaces and expose all in one. So usually on Snow Leopard you would slide four fingers up and that would give you expose. And that would have everything spread out for you. So if I open a bunch of applications here, let's see, Google Chrome, QuickTime, let's open them, Skype, Twitter, and some mail. So now that everything's open, I can just hit four fingers up, and it spreads everything out for you in this nice index. Here's Google Chrome. So if I had two pages open, so if we'll switch to Google Chrome, and I had another window. Now, if I hit up, it's going to see I have two windows open, which you can select. Icon for Skype, icon for Twitter, and icon for mail. This is very nice. It organizes everything for you. This is Mac pretty much telling you this is the easiest system to use instead of Windows. Everything's organized and it's easy to learn, so it's just cool. Now, up here, you notice that we have other desktops. I can make new desktops. See this little add button over here? I can add a desktop. And then on here, I can, say, have my jailbreak folder open. Now, if we slide four fingers up, I can switch back to this desktop I was on before. See, now you see everything over here. Switch to this desktop. Now I got this. So say if you're in a workspace or typing anything on Microsoft Word, and you're watching a movie on the other desktop, say that. This organizes everything for you, like I said before. So if you slide four fingers up, everything's organized. Now, like say I needed Twitter open when I was typing my essay in school. I wouldn't really want to get distracted with Twitter, so I'd switch over to my second desktop and have Microsoft Word open. So it is really a nice thing to have. So, and then just to delete this, you just put your cursor over there and just hit delete desktop, and there you go, you're back to that. Now the cool thing with different desktop is you can have different backgrounds on each desktop, which is cool, and it won't change your main one. I should have just hit quit all, but now I'm not going to. So that's a little cool feature that we have here. Now, opening up Google Chrome or Safari, I'll show you on Safari. I just switched over to Google Chrome. You notice there is a speed difference. Now, this was implemented on iOS 5 for the mobile phone. Now, this is very fast. You can notice already. See, they're featuring the new MacBook Air. Look how, this is the first time I'm opening these pages. Notice again, I'll quit Safari, and I'll open it back up. So if I open up Safari here, boom, Yahoo Mail is open. Boom, Apple's open. Apple's website usually takes a long time to load because there's a lot of Flash Player involved. Boom, done. You know what I mean? It doesn't matter if you have a fast connection. It's actually Safari having more kick to it and using a little bit more RAM in your computer, which is really, really nice to have. Now, another feature that I did notice, I'm just going to close Skype because I don't want anyone calling me while I'm making this video. Another feature I did notice is Mail. Now, I had Mail open before. Mail is a whole new layout. This is really, really organized for you now. Emails show up on this side, and then the actual email, the full page, you can look over here. So it's kind of like, in a way, Final Cut or iMovie. Say you have your unedited clips here, and then over here you can actually view them. So it's really, really nice to have. Our next thing we have is changed is iPhoto. Now there's not big enough change to notice. It looks pretty much the same, except all these little corner X out and expand, and I believe, if this loads on me, come on. I'd never opened iPhoto, by the way. I don't know why this is doing this. On here, you can expand things to full screen now, which is cool. So all the implemented apps, when you do download a software for Apple, will go full screen now. So I can say, which one do I want to open? I don't know what's a good one. iMovie. Now, iMovie usually opens to about most of the screen, but not all of it. I haven't opened iMovie in a while. Yeah, I was editing a clip. Now it goes full screen. It never did before. You used to have to use the corner thing to drag it. Now, all these are empty. See, like it's not all the way full screen. It shrinks down. See, Google Chrome didn't really do it yet. But I know Safari does. So that is a really good feature. I mean, I know when I'm typing something or looking at emails, I don't want anything else. I just want to concentrate on what I'm doing. That is a good thing to have. Now, Expose also helps you out with that. Or the new thing is, it's called Mission Control. So that's pretty much just a couple little features. There is a new spotlight. You can see it blinks in the corner. Now you can log in Windows and not Windows, but you can log in different users and switch users quickly now with this new interface, as you can call it. I'm trying to think what else. There's really not that much else. It's just very organized. It's very zippy. I would show you the shutdown and startup, but that obviously would shut off the video. But it seems a little quicker to load. And the cool thing about it is when you do install it in App Store, it kind of like overlays. So when you download it, you download it as an app, but when you install it, it turns off your computer, installs it like it would Snow Leopard or Leopard, and then boom, it looks the same, but there's hidden features in it, which is cool. A lot of people don't like change, sudden change, completely, Facebook or Twitter changes their pages all the time and just doesn't really give people warning or testing to it. This one, it looks like Snow Leopard, but it has new features, you know what I mean? So it's really, really good. I don't know, I like it a lot. It's definitely quicker, and it's easier, and it's more organized, which I like. Alright guys, so it's D-Man 10. Hopefully I helped you out. It is $30 in the App Store. There is free ways to get it, but I wouldn't suggest it because it is on your main computer. I always say that I don't ever really try to steal stuff, but I'm just saying for this I would buy. It's $30. It's not really expensive at all. Snow Leopard was originally like $60 or $100 when I was lucky to get my computer with it pre-installed, but yeah, so this is the mid-2010 model, also reminding you. So this does run good, well, on, oh yeah, I forgot to show you this, about the Mac. This is a whole new interface. So, you see that I'm on version 10.7, which is Lion. But if I hit more info, it actually shows you a whole different thing. This shows you can check for updates, you can system report if something's buggy on you. This shows you everything you have, everything, processor, memory. You can choose displays, and it tells you, it knows which display you're using. Storage, see how much storage you've actually used on your disk, and the memory that you use. And it shows you I have 2 gigs each of RAM, so I have two gigs, so I have 4 installed, which I will be upgrading to 8 gigs. So stay tuned for that video. But anyways, it's D-Man 10. Hopefully I help you out on this. Alright guys, have a nice day. Peace.